Come, all ye faithful, joyful.
Hey everyone, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching, where I share studio tips and tricks, personal development hacks for creatives, and an occasional interesting nugget from art history. Today I want to look at day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas and the message that many people believe that is hidden in the lyrics. As we learned yesterday, the true love talked about is Jesus, the Son of God, and the partridge is also a representation of Jesus Christ. So, on to day 2. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. So urban legend has it that these twin birds represent the Old Testament and the New Testaments. So in this gift, the artist finds the complete story of the Christian faith and God's plan for the world. The doves are the biblical roadmap that is available to everyone. The gift I have for you today are 2 hand-painted background downloads. For digital artists, this is kind of a no-brainer. Other than selling them like they are, or claiming them as your own, you can use them however you see fit.
Okay, I just wanted to give you a real quick, short little tutorial about how to use the painted backgrounds that I've given you. If you're a digital artist, you know a million different ways that you can use these. If you're working traditionally and you have access to some digital software, I can show you what I do and how I would use these as a background or as a base, to print out on canvas, just so I don't have a blank canvas to start with. And so you can see first I'm on the website that the link takes you to. All you have to do is download, click on these, and it will download each of those images. And then for me, I just open them up in Photoshop. You can open them up in a variety of different things, but I just wanted to show you a couple different things that we can do for these images and how you might be able to use them. So here I am. I'm going to pull this out and go to one of the, actually let me do it this way. I'm going to just go to an image that I have, pull this out, I'm going to hit V, I'm just going to drag this into the other image. I want to transform it and move it around a bit, so I'm going to hit Control T, and then I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to rotate this thing so it fits in there. I'll drop it in. I don't like this little strip over here, so I'm just going to enlarge that so it's gone. Hit return, accept that. And now you can see over here in the layers palette, I have this image on top, and then the original image is below. That's the original image. Okay, I'm going to pop up here to the blending mode, and you can see if I just click on the disclosure triangle, then I can hover, in this case my stylus or your mouse, over, and it will show you what each of those blending modes will actually turn to. So you can just kind of see, by going through here a few different ways. If you see something that catches your eye, you can click on it and save it that way. Not save it, but use it that way. And again, I'm just, this is just a background. The whole thing was probably going to be obliterated anyway. So I'm not going to be too particular here at all. Just wanted to see what kind of things might be happening. I kind of like this one on exclusion, so I'm gonna grab it. Then the other thing I can do is pop over here to opacity. I can bring that opacity down, and I might have something that I like. If I want to bring out a little bit more of the image, I could put a layer mask on. B for brush, and I can pull my opacity down just a little bit, and maybe I can bring back, oops, hard, I don't like those hard edges. Get a little softer brush in here. Whoop. Yeah, we'll make it soft. And just pop in here, bringing back whatever whatever you like. So anyway, that's just one way that you might want to use them. The other thing that you could do that's really kind of interesting is if you don't like the color, for example, let's go back over here and just hit this one. Turn that opacity all the way up again. If you don't like the color, you can do a couple different things. You can change it to anything you want. Let's just go over here to Hue and Saturation. You can see if you move the hue, the bar on the hue, you can change it to whatever color really that you want that might be pleasing to you. Also, you can move the saturation up or down. Again, just a couple different ways that you could use this image, and you could do that with either one of these images and come up with something that you like, spit it out on canvas on your printer, and then what I do is adhere them to a board, either a cradled panel or just a masonite piece of masonite, glue it on there, and I'm ready to use my traditional media. So that's it. Thank you.
If you are already a subscriber to the Kindred Spirit Studio T Sometimes Weekly newsletter, you will get the download page in your email today. If you're not an email subscriber, head over to the link in the description and sign up. You can unsubscribe at any time, and I do have discounts and specials that are only directed to the subscribers. So that's it. Head over to the link below, and you can get your download of those two gifts. Have a great day.